Next one is how to connect to GitHub. For example, the Excel file to create a report, to create a new report that is available in our GitHub. Instead of the OneDrive, the customer tells you, hey, the data file, the Excel file that is available in GitHub. What is a GitHub? GitHub is a version control system. Most of the enterprises also now they started using GitHub to where they control their version of their the source code and all. Okay, so for that purpose, the GitHub is used. It's a open source. I think now it has been bought by Microsoft. Okay, GitHub. So what you do is I'll just show you an example. Here I just go here and here I'll just github.com. You can go ahead and create an account for you in GitHub also. It's a open source. Okay. And here I just sign in here. I don't remember the password. Let me see. It is there already. I just let me see. It is already there in my cookie. It should connect there. Yes, it got connected. Very good. So this is my github.com. Okay, I created a repository and all. Okay, you just explore. If you are so curious to learn more about GitHub, how to create the login, how to create repositories, you can go to YouTube. YouTube, lot of videos are there. You can watch it. Okay. So first of all, the question is, okay, so in your case, what I would suggest is go to github.com, sign up there. Okay. Create a username and password. And then what you do is you upload a file, from your laptop to this one. That's all. Okay. Don't worry. So in my case, what I'll do is I'll just click on the another folder called as a repository. For example, I want to load this CSV file. Let's say in this case, the CSV file is available on GitHub instead of, see, they don't share it in email or they don't share this data file. Customers usually, right? They don't share it from email and all. They share it via GitHub or the the OneDrive or the cloud. Okay, cloud thing and all. So in that case, let's assume that your customer has given you the data, the CSV file data that is available on GitHub. So what you need is, let's say this is the file. You just click on this file, the CSV file, feb.csv. It will take some time to open up. You can see the data here, right? On the right side, you can see that. You can just scroll towards the right side and see. It's all good. Okay, good. So what is next thing is you click on the raw without file. Click on the raw. It'll take for a while. Okay, until you see something like the raw.github user content.com, don't do anything. Okay, and once you see this URL, Control C, and then go back to your Power BI desktop. Click on the get data icon. Even for GitHub, there is no direct connector is available. Click on the web connector. Here you paste that URL which you copied. Hit the OK button. Wait for some time. Again, it shows the preview window. I'm going to hit the load button. Wait for some time. The preview, we are able to see the data. Good, right? Then it should work. I hit the load button. Now it is being loaded. Wait for some time. Yes, it got loaded. No error, nothing. Click on the data view. Then here we can see the Feb data. If you click on it, you can see this data also. With this demo, you are able to understand how to pull the data from GitHub, the CSV file data from GitHub into your Power BI desktop, right?